Hi, hello. So it's still a continuation from our last learning lesson. Uh, Still on comprehension passages. Well, looks like we're gonna have a whole lot of comprehension passages to deal with this time around. But it's fine. Nothing we can't handle, right? Okay, so still in our comprehension passages, the instruction says, read the passage carefully and answer the questions that followed. Okay, so let's do this. In the past, the giant octopus was associated with tales of horror. Stories were told of how the giant octopus would attack boats and men. These animals would rise out of the sea and terrorize passing ships, even causing them to sink. Yet, in reality, octopuses are the exact opposite. They are very shy creatures and also quite smart. The octopus is actually a predator in the sea, but not one that hunts for people. So it doesn't kill people. Whoa, I used to think they killed people. Wow. I used to think octopuses were predators that hunt people. Okay, so the octopus feeds on a variety of sea creatures, such as crabs. It gently drops down onto the seabed, trapping crabs. It hunts by shooting out poison into the water to stun the crab, and then it uses its beak to crack the shell of the crab and eat the meat. Between its many tentacles are pieces of skin called web, and this is used by the octopus to carry as many as a dozen crabs back to its den. Apart from crabs, octopuses also eat other types of shellfish, like abalone. Under some circumstances, like when it is in captivity and under a lot of stress, the octopus even eats its own tentacles. When other predators like whales or sea lions hunt the octopus, it sometimes escapes by breaking off its tentacles and leaving them in the mouth of its hunter while it makes its escape. Octopuses are also usually left alone. Of course, they are pretty defensive, so yes, I'm sure they'll be left alone. Due to the popularity of scuba diving, scientists have been able to prove that everyone thought they were. In fact, for some divers, meeting an octopus has become a special moment in their dive underwater, something to look forward to. A relative of the squid, the octopus defends itself in the same way. So the octopus is has some sort of similarity with the squid. Both squirt out black ink to evade predators. It is believed that the octopus squirts ink to create a smoke screen before it escapes. It is also believed that the ink that is squirted out floats lightly and takes the shape of an octopus, thus perplexing the predator and allowing them time to escape. Wow. The octopus is a pretty smart creature, and it's obvious that its defensive mechanisms are great, don't you think? Well, I wish I'd be able to defend myself that way. Okay, so let's answer questions. Okay, our 11th question. When the octopus stuns an animal, it suggests that A. The animal becomes too startled to escape. B. The octopus is able to corner the animal. C. The animal becomes too confused and starts moving in all directions. And D. The octopus has intelligence enough to play a trick on its prey. How's that? I don't understand that option. I don't understand it. Okay, no, it's funny though. So our answer is the animal becomes too startled to escape. Yes. So when it stuns an animal, it gets the animal kind of shocked, like, what's happening, what's happening? And so the animal comes to struggle to escape, thus giving the octopus the time and opportunity it needs to eat it up. Okay, so we can find this on lines 9 and 10 of the comprehension passage. We have in option A, the animal becomes too startled to escape. Okay, our 12th question. Contrary to popular belief, the octopus, A, is smart enough never to get caught by men. B, feeds on crab only. C, does not shoot poison. And D, is not fierce or aggressive in nature. Yes, contrary to popular belief, the octopus is actually not aggressive and not fierce in nature. Okay, so we used to think they were man predators, man hunters, but obviously from the passage they are not aggressive, they like being left alone, and they're not fierce in nature. And so we can find this on lines 5 and 6 of the comprehension passage. So we have our option T. Contrary to popular belief, the octopus is not fierce or aggressive in nature. Okay, so our 13th question. An octopus escapes from its predator by A, shooting poison, B, giving smokes, C, shooting black ink, D, breaking all its tentacles. So what is it? It breaks off its tentacles, and that's line 16. Yes, it breaks off its tentacles. Okay, so whenever the sea lion wants to hunt it, or wants to kill it, it simply breaks off its tentacles. And that way, the sea lion or any other predator could actually think that they're holding it, or they already grabbed it, but actually you end up finding out at the end of the day that you only grabbed its tentacles. Isn't that so cool of the octopus? So we have it, option D, breaking all its tentacles. Okay, our 14th question. Octopuses are far from being fierce monsters. The highlighted word is a what? A on our or and what? So the highlighted word is fierce. Yeah, fierce. So what word class does the word fierce belong to? Let's see. So fierce is an adjective because it was used to describe the octopus. Remember, we agreed in our last class that adjectives are used to describe or qualify nouns or pronouns. Remember? So here, the word fierce was used to describe the octopus. So it is an adjective, and we're having option B as a correct answer, adjective. Okay, so our 15th question. The use of perplexing, that's in paragraph 4, suggests that the predator is A, complicated, B, surprised, C, nervous, and D, confused. What does it suggest? So when you say something or someone is perplexing, or when you say someone has a perplexing look on their faces, when you say someone has a perplexing look on their faces, it simply means that the person is confused. That moment when something just happened so fast that you're like, what's happening? What just happened? So we have that confused, the baffled look on your face, that is perplexing. Okay, so you either use perplexing or you use confused or baffled. It can be very well interchangeably used. Okay, those words can be interchangeably used. They can serve as synonyms for each other. Okay, so another meaning of perplexing, of course, is to puzzle. Okay, when you're puzzled about something, it's also perplexing. So we have D, confused. That's the one in the option. So we'll go for D, confused, as our answer. Okay, so that is it for now. Of course, just for now. Remember, I said I was going to just take 5 questions at a go because I wouldn't want to be too boring. I mean, I'm a student, and I know how annoying and boring it can be if I am too long, if I stay too long in a class, or if I I don't know, if I spend too much time in a class, it can be very overbearing. So I do understand that, and that's why we are going for 5 questions at a go. Isn't Prepclass great? So I still look forward to seeing you in our successive lessons. Okay? I look forward to learning more with you. But until then, please try to stay safe, stay happy, stay strong, do the things you love doing. Okay? Yes, coming from me, Jennifer, please do the things you love doing. Alright? Life is beautiful, especially when you make good grades. Yes, of course. Life is beautiful, especially when you make good grades. So, we Prepclass are here for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, okay? I still look forward to your comments. I always look forward to your comments. Let me know what you think or what you feel about Prepclass, and let's of course know how we can help you, okay? So please reach out to us in every medium, okay? Every way possible, please reach out to us. Until then, stay happy. Prepclass loves you. Bye.